Curriculum learning. So basically, curriculum learning is a training strategy inspired by how humans learn, where the model is exposed to easier examples or tasks first and gradually introduced to more complex ones. So, by organizing training data in a meaningful order, starting simple and increasing difficulty, the model can learn more efficiently, avoid getting stuck in poor local minima, and improve overall performance. So, technically, curriculum learning can involve dynamic data sampling, task scheduling, or adaptive difficulty measures to guide the learning process. From the business perspective, this approach helps organization train more robust AI systems faster with a less computational cost and achieve better results in applications like natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Thank you.